So from this to this. So this is the traditional spice box or Masala Dabba, which you can see it only has like 7 compartments. These are removable, but you know, Indian spices are so many that you wouldn't be able to contain in this small. So I made this one which has 12 compartments, and all of them are removable, like you can remove it, and they also have a lid, individual lids, so it fits all my spices that I use regularly. And I made this box. It was actually a box that I purchased from the store, and then I resized it, and you can see the pictures. So I cut off the edges and then resized it, and then I covered it entire box lid and the box with this metallic plastic cover, which is meant for like a table cover, so that it can imitate as a steel finish. You can also spray paint it like a metallic spray paint, so it can fit all my spices. Like it fits 12 containers. You can make it 15 if you have more spices. I really wish that I could find a clear acrylic box with this size that I wanted, but I didn't, so this is the temporary fix, and it imitates just like a steel finish container. So I'm happy with the results, and this is how my spices look like now. So that I have all my spices in one place. I don't have to open separate containers every time I want to use it. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And I'm going to show you how it's fit in my limited space. So I have very limited space here. So whatever stuff that I can fit in the spice box, still I just put it like this and I label them. So these are the spices that I don't use every day, but I do use sometimes, so I can organize it this way. And I made this little shelf like this so that I can store all the other spices here. And then here on the side is my tea and sugar, and then chai masala and salt. I like to keep the salt in the same container so that no confusion. And then my spice box can go here, so it fits all perfectly. If you have any questions about how I made this spice box, where I bought these containers, let me know in the comment box. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.